Teleportation. We've all dreamed of it, right? But what if it's not a superpower, but a death trap?
Okay, so let's back up. The word teleportation itself, it was actually coined way back in 1931.
But here's the crazy part. This sci-fi classic could literally be a death sentence in the real world.
Let's use a classic example, Nightcrawler. He jumps through another dimension to get around, you know?
So what's the problem? Well, you leave our reality, but our reality keeps moving. A lot.
Right now, you're hurtling along at over 1,000 miles an hour, just from the Earth's spin. Wild, huh?
On Earth, everything moves with you. But pop into another dimension, you're now completely stationary.
So when you pop back, the planet slams into you. It'd be like being instantly sanded to dust.
And that's just the spin. Believe it or not, the problem gets way, way worse. Our planet is also booking it around the sun at a mind-blowing 66,600 miles an hour.
To put that in perspective, that speed makes a supersonic bullet look like it's standing still.
Now, a Nightcrawler-style teleport takes, what, maybe a second? Let's just say 1 second.
In that single second you were gone, Earth has already moved 18.5 miles through space.
So you don't just miss your landing spot. You'd reappear in the cold, empty vacuum of space. Yikes.
So, how in the world could you survive this? Well, you'd need some serious extra powers.
You'd have to perfectly match your target's speed, both its spin and its crazy orbital velocity.
You'd basically need a magical GPS just to keep up. There is literally zero room for error.
Because if you're off by even a tiny bit, you'll find out what a fly hitting a semi-truck feels like.
See, the real superpower isn't the jump. It's the insane split-second math needed to survive it.
So let me ask you, knowing all of that, would you still risk the jump?